Hello, my name is Shivani Zindal and I'm a first year MBA student at IFMR Graduate School of Business, Kriya University.
Hello everyone, my name is Yash Tiwari. I'm also a first year MBA student at IFMR GSB. Today we are going to walk you through the whole admission process for the upcoming batch starting in July 2022.
With a 50-year history, IFMR GSB has evolved from a research-based institution to a full-fledged business school enabled by interwoven learning. The legacy of IFMR with the agility of Kriya University helps to prepare students for difficult real-time situations and develop skills efficiently to manage them.
The primary objective of IFMR MBA program is to facilitate a student to become a successful manager. To achieve this objective, we lay a strong foundation in management by offering a set of core courses in the areas of data science and information system, economics, finance, accounting and quantitative finance, marketing, OB and HR, operation management, and strategic management.
The admission process is divided into two rounds, namely round 1 and round 2. For both the rounds, applicants who meet all eligibility criteria will be considered for personal interview in the rank order of merit. Shortlisted candidates will be intimated through email and the dashboard of the application portal along with the interview schedule. The writing skills of applicants will be assessed based on the scores on the relevant section of the qualifying examination as well as the quality of writing displayed in their application forms.
Here are the eligibility criteria for the ongoing admission process. The applicant date of birth should be between 1 January 1995 and 31st December 2002. The class 10, 12th and undergraduate score should be minimum of 60%. Work experience should be between 0 to 36 months as on the submission of application. Talking about the competitive exam, both the CAT and ZET cutoff is 75 percentile. The cutoff for NMAT is a score of 222. For CMAT, GMAT and GRE, the cutoff percentile is 85 percentile. Graduates of full-time degree courses and or the students in the final year of their undergraduation can apply. Applicant must have valid score in one or more of the competitive exam as mentioned in the eligibility criteria. The best score will be considered subject to meeting the eligibility cutoff. Thank you for watching the video. Visit the official website of IFMR GSB for more details.